two funnel titans, one global, one India first. Which one really delivers? On the left, the global powerhouse ClickFunnels, and on the right, FlexiFunnels, known for simplicity and optimized for Indian businesses. Let's skip the buzzwords and get straight to the real differences. Each category earns points, so by the end you'll see exactly who comes out on top. The result might just surprise you. Okay, first here, the mind map of what I'm actually comparing. We've got price, hosting and global reach, features and flexibility, ease of use, course and membership, integrations and automation, and support and ecosystem. Those are like the practical pillars of any funnel platform. Ready? Let's kick off with the wallet vibes. Price. So ClickFunnels, you're probably bracing yourself, it's got that premium tag. Starter's solid, but you're looking at around $147 a month if you want all the juicy stuff. They do have a free trial, which is cool, but honestly expect some upsells and hidden fees for extra tools. Now FlexiFunnels, huge difference, only about $48 a month, and that gives you unlimited funnels, unlimited traffic. No tricks, that's like unheard of for this kind of platform. There aren't as many enterprise add-ons, but for the money, FlexiFunnels takes this round hands down. Next up, hosting and global reach. ClickFunnels is a beast here. They've got a global infrastructure, high-speed hosting no matter where you are on the planet. If you're building for international clients, you want reliability, and honestly, they deliver. Sometimes it's a little slower in very specific parts of India, but globally, super consistent. FlexiFunnels, though, is tuned for India, and when I say tuned, I mean wow, it's fast and optimized for local performance. But if your audience is spread out in Europe or the US, not happening, there's no global CDN right now. So if you want worldwide reach, ClickFunnels still holds the trophy. Alright, let's talk features and flexibility. ClickFunnels goes all in, tons of templates, advanced automation, affiliate management, A/B testing, deep CRM integrations. You want feature-rich, it's almost overwhelming. Honestly, beginners might need to block off a weekend just to figure it all out. FlexiFunnels is that chill cousin, drag and drop, crazy simple UI, 500 plus templates, bump offers, even AI copy. You get inbuilt stuff like memberships, which is awesome. There's conditional logic, but it's a bit basic, and yeah, integrations aren't as deep. For sheer power, ClickFunnels wins here. Oh, and here's something cool I just learned. Did you know FlexiFunnels is basically India's first homegrown funnel builder for scale? That's pretty rare in 2025. Meanwhile, ClickFunnels, over 100,000 businesses run on it globally. Just wild how far these tools have come. Ease of use now, love this part. ClickFunnels, once you get the hang of it, is actually pretty intuitive. There's a big community, so help is easy to find if you're willing to get through the initial learning curve, that is. You can tell it's designed for seasoned marketers. FlexiFunnels? Oh man, plug and play. It feels modern, you really can build a full course or funnel in like minutes. It's meant for people who want stuff done fast, not to get lost in endless options. There's a bit less control for pros, but honestly, for standard users, FlexiFunnels crushes this category. Let's hit course and membership. ClickFunnels flexes here with multi-level memberships and really robust, enterprise-grade stuff if you're willing to pay up. Their course hosting is powerful, but you can expect to spend premium on it. On the other hand, FlexiFunnels gives you course and membership tools with every plan, and yes, unlimited hosting for free. Advanced features aren't as deep as what ClickFunnels offers, but for anyone starting up or running mid-level projects, FlexiFunnels takes the edge here. Now, integrations and automation. ClickFunnels is just legendary. Pretty much any tool you want, payments, emails, webinars, analytics, all the big global apps, it plugs in and handles advanced stuff like affiliate management and automation. But you know, not everyone needs to set up super complex sales paths, so sometimes this is like buying a spaceship when you really needed a car. FlexiFunnels has a solid WordPress plugin and connects to Indian payment gateways, which, you need if you're doing business here. But yeah, the options are a bit limited and global stuff is not fully there. For power users, ClickFunnels wins. Finally, support and ecosystem. ClickFunnels does 24/7 support. There's a massive user base, tons and tons of resources, so you'll find answers everywhere. On entry plans, support is kinda templated but still solid. FlexiFunnels is up and coming, support is responsive, tuned for Indian time zones, and their help docs are actually growing fast. The community isn't huge yet, there aren't thousands of YouTube tutorials, but they're working on it. Still, ClickFunnels just has more people, more content, more ecosystem, so it sneaks ahead. If you line them up side by side, FlexiFunnels scores especially well on price, ease of use, and local course features. But ClickFunnels dominates if you need enterprise power, global reach, or deep integrations. I mean, you can almost see the split: budget-friendly India focus versus international feature-rich. So, here's the real deal verdict. If you're all about affordability and want something simple that runs perfectly in India, FlexiFunnels is genuinely a steal, especially for solopreneurs or local businesses. But if you need real muscle, global hosting, automations, or plan to scale like crazy, ClickFunnels is where you want to be. Both are awesome, but it honestly comes down to where your business is headed. If you want to support our channel, feel free to use our affiliate link given in video description. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in my next video.